robotics team. And basically our team gets girls to get involved in technology. As you see, nowadays there's a co-ed team and the guys might take over a girl's job when they ask for help. So we're a team that gets the girls to do hands-on, you know, so they get to do it without the guys interfering. So this is our 2012 JIT robot. This is totally advanced than all the other years. All the other years we do PVC, fiberglass, and we just attach synthetic stuff, you know, to make it easy on us. But this year I'm going to have her explain the electrical inside really fast.
So inside we have an MSI motherboard, pretty much our computer what's going to be making everything work. We have in the bottom here, we have 4 motor speed controllers, and mainly to make these work. And we have a spare just in case.
Okay, so what she's explaining is, this is her first year competing in NERC. She's a freshman, so she's still getting used to public speaking. But like she was explaining, on the back side we have a power supply, which gives power to all of our electronics. We have 4 motor speed controllers, which control the speed of our motors. Each thing runs in 12 volts, so in and out. So we use this sealed lead acid battery to power everything. There's actually 2, but we only have 1 on us right now. Right now we're testing to see if the computer turns on and the power supply turns on. So we tried it today and it turned on. We have all our fuses, we have our buses, and this year we have an MSI motherboard which runs an i5 Intel processor. We have our hard drive and we have a web camera instead of a regular lens camera. We have 6 motors, as you can see. We hand make the shafts, and so it's easier and more efficient. We get aluminum rods and we just add our own propellers and the tops. They're 1,500 gallons per hour. So that's basically the electrical wise of our robot. And as you can see, we have this huge hole that holds all of our electronics. It has 2 lids, so in order for it to be watertight, we have 2 lids that pressure it together with an O-ring groove that is 1/8 inch thick. So we just push it in, and we have these long screws that go at the ends to keep it tight. We have a hole in diameter of 8.0 and outer diameter at 8.5. And as you can see, this is so far how we're gonna attach our motors. It's really dangerous, but we're gonna fix it next year. We just have a piece of fiberglass holding onto the motor, and we have 2 bolts that attach to our frame. Our frame is made out of acrylic, and our hole is made out of acrylic as well, and the lids are made out of polycarbonate. So far, this is our robot. We had a lot of sponsors this year. In the back of our shirts, we were sponsored by DeVry, ATW, and Intel gave us some money, so because they were just inspired by our story of just getting girls to be involved in technology and doing things that they love and enjoy, instead of always doing how a guy sees a girl in their point of view or how girls see girls in their point of view. Like, they can be doing something else instead of, you know, I don't know how to put it, but like when they see me, they're just like, oh, well, you don't know how to do anything. Like, I'm really into cars. I'm really into automotive and technology. I'm also on the Falcon Robotics team, so I do electrical. And this is my first year learning how to use the lathe and the mill, and it's a really fun experience for me, but I don't know about her.
Yeah, it's been a great experience. I mean, I was never exposed to it when I was smaller. To me, engineering is like always fascinated me. Yeah, because I'm electrical as well, and this year I'm learning how to use like small things like wrenches and those small things.
So, but yeah, Legit's been through this for a lot, and this is our first year that we're actually getting money, and we actually have something to show without our robot getting leaking or anything. Because last year our camera leaked, all our lights leaked. So we had flashlights that we wrapped around our robot, but except our robot was 5x5, so it was just moving all the props around, so we weren't able to really do anything. And we had our one monitor and our one camera, and we didn't get a good view of the sides. So, but this is a big improvement for us, and hopefully next year when we come back to the competition, we'll be ready and we will win.